President Barack Obama has strongly defended immigration and refugees after attacks by Republican presidential candidates. Speaking at a citizen naturalization ceremony for 31 new citizens, Obama called immigration America's origin story and said that Americans must speak against hatred and bigotry. Immigration and refugees have been a focus of debate in the Republican presidential race, with candidates often vying with each other to stake out the most hardline positions on both issues. Frontrunner Donald Trump has vowed to build a wall on the border with Mexico and has called for a ban on Muslims entering America. Obama maintains that immigration is essential to America's identity as a nation.
We don't simply welcome new immigrants. We don't simply welcome new arrivals. We are born of immigrants. That is who we are. Immigration is our origin story. And for more than 2 centuries, it's remained at the core of our national character. It's our oldest tradition. It's who we are. It's part of what makes us exceptional. Just as so many have come here in search of a dream, others sought shelter from nightmares. 1 generation passes, 2 generations passes, and suddenly we don't remember where we came from. And we suggest that somehow there is us and there is them, not remembering we used to be them. On days like today, we need to resolve never to repeat mistakes like that again. We must resolve to always speak out against hatred and bigotry in all of its forms, whether taunts against the child of an immigrant farm worker or threats against a Muslim shopkeeper. We are Americans. In the Mexican immigrant today, we see the Catholic immigrant of a century ago. In the Syrian seeking refuge today, we should see the Jewish refugee of World War II. In these new Americans, we see our own American stories.